Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kevin, East Cape. We have an EVOx getting ready to roll out the door. Let's mix it up a little bit. We'll start in the back. This one's got an F70. You may transition and do a heavy cut prop and a cavitation plate. But for Middle Texas and Upper and Louisiana, that's going to get him done wherever he wants to go. But a little bit about the boat. We love the clamp-on welded rod holders because he can move that around. Different angles, different positions. We have the power pole right there. We have the Stiffy guide, which is their graphite. He chose this one because one, they're based out of Texas. That's what he wanted. Number two, he wanted a light pole. And he got it. Removable backrest. Offset console, and it's windy, so the leaves keep blowing in this and the pollen stuff, so we just left it, so that's why it looks a little dirty. Actually, it's not. This stuff just keeps blowing on it. But we have the sound system. He's got rod holders going forward. He has rod holders going backwards. We even offset his rod holders here on the console so the reels don't knock. And he still has room, even though it's an offset console, he can still put a fly rod in on this side. Oversized casting platform. And we got the boys from Castaway Custom C-Deck, V-Marine spool holders. And this is the proper way to store a push pole. Foot forward, below the nose of the boat. You'll never have any issues. It won't break. Everything you need. Offset cleat. Breakaway breakaway tongue right here. Base aluminum upgrade. Speeds on this is going to be anywhere from the mid 30s to high 30s, depending on load conditions. And obviously prop, if you go to a really heavy cut prop, then obviously your speeds are gonna be low 30s to high 20s. He does have the rear trolling motor mount, and the plug is inside. He does have the pumps for the bobs and the power pole, and you can see our Black Ops package. We made the boats lighter without sacrificing strength and without adding cost. So it's a really cool option. We take some weight out of the boat, make the boat lighter for you guys. It didn't cost you a penny. And it looks amazing. At least I think it does. And I'm sure all the customers do too. But anyways, Simrad, low profile grab rail. Just awesome. But all you guys on the fence, there's a lot of choices out there. For 17 years we've been saying that. So when you look at the value, the price, the service after the sale, the design of the boat, the construction, we do full vacuum infusion, which is closed molding. We've been one of the pioneers in that for a long time. Just a lot of little things in the customizations. It's very hard to beat. Everybody always wants to know how much boats are, but average boats in these realm are anywhere from the low 40s to high 40s. Some of them get up into the mid 50s, which is still below a base boat on the competition. So for all you guys on the fence, please do yourself a favor, check us out. East Cape Boats. And yeah, here's another one. See ya.